Hi, I'm Niladri. I'm a founder of Agile Digest. You might have viewed lots of videos from my YouTube channel. I'm here to know if you want to become a Scrum Master or already working as a Scrum Master and facing difficulties to your day-to-day responsibilities, or how you will be reporting, or how you will be executing all your activities, events, ceremonies, or KPIs, then this video may be something interesting for you. You may know the basic values or principles of Agile and Scrum. But when it comes to a real life implementation or practical implementation, many of us think how to apply this or how to conduct a daily stand up in an effective way, how to track or work with your managements, how to handle your stakeholders. All those are many difficulties people used to face. I am here to talk about our popular course that will name the course in a while. It's actually 45 hours of course. Unlike any other 2 days or 3 days training, we spend it for 45 hours in kind of a month or 1.5 month. We distribute the entire discussions and trainings and collaborations 2 to 3 hours every day. And the entire this training I'm talking about is divided into 4 stages. The stage 1 that will talk about the fundamental and deep dive into Agile, lean concept, extreme programming, the best practices, and how exactly we will be implementing them mostly into a theory parts of it. Then it actually goes for 20 hours of training and spread in 2 weeks. Then we jump into stage 2 where we'll try to understand the most common ALM tool, Atlassian Jira, how you can operate. As a Jira user, as a Scrum Master, or as anyone who part of your Agile team, what are the key areas you will be working on? And keeping that in mind, we designed our stage 2. Then we'll go into our stage 3 where we will blend our stage 1 and stage 2 and do a live project. And this is the heartbeat of our entire course that we are talking about. Here we will learn and practically implement each and every activity, each and every reporting, each and every ceremonies or events, how we will be doing the communications with different stakeholders, management, team members, how we will resolve impediments, and you will get a real life feel of executing a sprint through this training. And finally, we come into the stage 4 where we prepare all the participants for getting themselves ready for facing interviews. We go across more than 100 questions and discuss about how you will answer. And this is not only just answering those questions, we'll talk about how you should behave. There are many questions where we don't have a right or wrong answers, but how you should interact or respond to those questions. Apart from that, we help everyone to create their profile so that you can prepare your resume in the competitive market and make it outstanding. And finally, we'll do a mock interviews for each and every one where you will observe when an interviewer asks a questions, how someone is answering, how your interviewer is doing cross questionings, or how our interviewer is responding to the answers, that you will get a feel from that mock interviews. And that's the stage 4. And the training I'm talking about, the name is Path to Become Scrum Master. So if you are interested, you can pause the video here, look into this QR code, scan it and learn more about it. Watch the feedback from the previous training participants or look into some training styles that we have gone through. You can register yourself, you can ask any questions through our WhatsApp number +918800842599. If you want to send us an email, you can mail us at support@agile.com. agiledigest.com. We'll see you on the training. Till that time, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.